Hello developers, what if you could master GSAP Draggable while building a production-ready Kanban board? We're going beyond basic drag and drop to tackle auto-scrolling containers, real-time JSON state management, and intuitive cross-column logic. You'll learn the exact hit testing rules that make drops feel native, how to handle add and delete operations smoothly, and manage complex state in vanilla JavaScript. This is practical GSAP mastery, the kind that separates tutorial projects from real-world applications. But here's what makes this truly powerful. Because we're building with pure vanilla JavaScript, every concept you learn becomes transferable knowledge. The GSAP Draggable patterns we implement today will work seamlessly in React, Vue, Angular, or any framework you choose tomorrow. We're not just moving cards, we're engineering experiences. You'll discover how to create that satisfying snap when a card finds its new column, how to maintain perfect performance during rapid drag operations, and how to build a state system that automatically syncs with a visual interface. We'll break down advanced techniques like intelligent bounds detection for container scrolling and event delegation that handles dynamic content effortlessly. You'll also master the subtle details that users feel but rarely notice: proper z-index management during drag, graceful error handling for edge cases. This is more than a tutorial. It's a masterclass in modern web interaction design. By the end, you'll have not just a Kanban board, but a deep understanding of how to build sophisticated drag and drop interfaces that feel magical to use. The best part? You're learning architecture, not just code, patterns you can scale, techniques you can adapt, and principles you'll apply across every future project. This is just the beginning. You're watching part of a dedicated playlist where we build real-world projects like this from scratch. We have dozens of advanced UI tutorials coming, each one focused on practical, portfolio-ready skills that bridge the gap between tutorials and professional development. If you want to master modern web development with vanilla JavaScript that works everywhere, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss what's next. Ready to dive into the code? In the next video, we'll start by breaking down the perfect HTML structure that makes this entire system possible. Let's begin.